Hello everybody, I'm myself Shruti Samsandekar, Assistant Professor of Department of Computer Studies, Cyber Kolhapur. This video is a presentation which will demonstrate you how to create a simple WordPress site. To create the WordPress site, we have to have a login account through which we can log in and create the site. Since I have already have a login account, I will log in. On clicking of the login, it will ask you for the username and the password. Type in your username and password. On logging in, since I've already created a site, when we click on My Site, here it gives you a control panel which will allow you to create site pages, create blog posts, add media to your site, add a testimonial, portfolio, choose a theme for your website, and also configure your website for sharing, the people that we want to add, the plugins that we want to add, and the domain what we want to set. For now, we'll create and add a new site to this login account. I have clicked Add New Site. Since I have already have a site created, it is showing in the statistics here of the site that has been created and how many visitors are to the site. On adding a new site, it will ask us, so we'll go with Start Now. It asks us about on which domain we are creating the website. So we'll go with the education. Then it asks us whether we are creating a blog, a website, or a portfolio. We'll go with the website. The next is we have to choose a theme. We'll go with this theme. We have to pick up the theme. Give a suitable name for your site. So I've given SSG@cyber. Then it gives us the availability of the name. Though I have given SSG@cyber, it has given me a suitable WordPress site name, that is SSG Cyber, and which is free, so we are going to go with it. The rest are paid versions. Then next it asks us for the plan that we want to choose to host our site. We will go with the free version. It will take its time to set up the theme. click on the continue button. Okay, so this is the home page of the site that has been created. We have here the top menu, which is a welcome menu, about, contact and blog, which are the default menus of this theme that we have chosen. Now we'll go on the my site. Okay. So here the first thing what we are going to do is we'll see how to add content to the site. We can either add a post, we can also add simple pages, media. We'll start with blog post. So we'll click add. Okay. This gives us what will be the title of the blog. It also gives us some help text which will help us in knowing what to be typed. Okay. So let's just say got it. Okay. So we'll say first blog. So this is the title of the blog. Then we can type in a text on the blog. Okay. Now for the blog, we have different options on which we can change the face of the font. We can make it bold, make it italic. Okay, we can even remove at the same time. So we will just stick to simple text right now. Then here we have the post settings. So we have the status. Right now the status, okay, stick to the front page, so it will then it is in the uncategorized, so we can add a category also. So if we say add a new category, we can see education. Okay, and it adds a category, and then we'll add this post to the category education. We can also add some text which will help in searching the blog post. I'll just put welcome. To the same blog post, we can have a featured image. Right now we won't go with the featured image, we won't set a featured image. Okay, and once it is done, we can have a preview before publishing. In the preview, the previews can be viewed over different devices. So we'll select desktop, and this is how my first blog will be viewed. So first blog, which is the title, and this is the message, that is hello everyone, welcome to ICT based teaching learning. We'll close. Since we are done with the blog, now we'll actually publish. To publish it, click on the publish button here. And this is the first blog. Next, I'll show you how to add a page. So add a page. Again, it is asking us the same thing, a title for the page. Courses. and I'll type in some courses. Let's say computer networks, operating, Now in this course page, again we have all the formatting options where we can format the text. Let me select it, get it at the center, make it as a course heading, add some contents to it. Okay, so this course objective is to teach computer communication fundamentals. Sorry. And it will similarly, I will just align this, change the font. I could also give a text color to it, whichever. Okay, so this is regarding the formatting the text. Okay, at the same time, if I want to add some media, so we can add media. To add media, we can click on this add media. Okay, these are the already pages which are present. Okay, so we can add media via URL, or we can select these. Okay, so for now we are not going to add because there are no suitable images, or we can also add a URL too. So we can say add new, and if I already have some URL which has been either PPT or video, we can add it to this media folder. Okay, we'll cancel. We'll change the code. Okay, when I click on preview, again we'll change it to desktop. So here courses, computer networks. This is the content, what is the objective, though I have put it in a short form. Okay. Next, once we are done with that, we can see publish. Let's go back. We can also edit the current pages. So if we see here, we have current pages, which is a welcome page, which was by default. Then we had about page, the contact page, the blog page. If we go to the about page, it already has a default text and an image which has been shown over here, and this is the text which was already present. Now we'll go back to the home page. Next thing that I want to show you is how to customize the existing site. That is, we can choose another theme if we have not liked the current theme.